What's up guys, Paul the Tech Giant here, and today I want to talk to you about the honesty of Philips when it comes to burn-in on their OLED TVs. Now the model that I'm going to be focusing on is this 800 series or 807, and it's a 48-inch variant. And when it comes to setting up the TV, it actually comes up with this page and actually runs through the do's and don'ts when it comes to burn-in and what you can expect when it comes to refreshing the panel. Right, so here we have in front of us the actual page that I'm talking about, and this is presented to us at the setup stage, which I think is great. You know, it's not hidden away. You've not got to go looking into sort of menus or instruction manuals or anything like that. It's, you know, all up front and honest about it. So let's read exactly what it says. So, OLED handling. Congratulations on the purchase of your Philips OLED TV. OLED display is state-of-the-art technology, and combined with our picture quality engine, it has won an astounding number of awards. To ensure that your TV always offers the best possible performance, it will sometimes perform a display cleanup process while in standby. Now that is something very important to note and something that I've covered in a separate video, which I will put a link to just up above around about here, and I'll put in the description as well. So yeah, take note of that bit. If you never put your TV in standby, you will regularly be notified by on-screen messages that the display needs to execute this cleanup process. Please always follow these instructions. Repeatedly postponing this process may result in image retention, which may void your warranty. So what they're basically saying is, if you decide that, you know, you're not going to put the TV into standby, you know, you maybe switch it off at the mains. Some people do that, you know, when they turn the TV off, they unplug it straight away. So the TV never has a chance to go into standby. It doesn't get to perform that process. It's a good chance that you may suffer burn-in. And as they say, that would void your warranty, and that ain't what you want. So moving on to the last bit, and it goes on to say what I've just said basically, your TV should be left in standby in order to execute the cleaning process in the background. And again, that is something important to note, that it does it in the background. It's not some big fanfare that you really sort of told about. So leaving it in standby will just run that process for you, make sure everything's, you know, kept nice and squeaky clean. We also recommend that you avoid continuously displaying static images. So again, it's nice that they're being totally honest and upfront there. They are telling us, you know, if you're going to put something on there, static image, you know, repeatedly, day after day, hour after hour, you know, there is a chance that you could end up with burn-in. Now, I've got to say it, fair play to Philips for actually doing this. Believe it or not, you know, there's quite a few manufacturers who don't even mention anything like this, which is pretty shocking, to be honest, because not everyone is in the know when it comes to burn-in on OLED TVs. Now, for those of you out there who don't know what burn-in is, well, just to put it simply, if you were to say maybe watch a static image, as we were just talking about a minute ago, for maybe weeks on end, there's a possibility that that image could remain even when you change to something else. So for example, if we had, say, a channel logo up in the corner there saying channel 1, and that was on there for weeks on end, maybe, you know, one day you change to channel 2, it still may say channel 1 up in that corner. Honestly, you know, that's how severe it can be if you are not careful and you don't run that refresh cycle. But I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Do you think more manufacturers should be upfront like this? I think they all should be at the end of the day. You know, if you got to this stage and you read through that, you think, oh, I don't like the sound of that. In theory, you should be able to send it back and say, I don't want none of that, I'll take something else, thanks. And for those manufacturers who don't display such notices, I've got to say it almost comes across like they're trying to, you know, sort of sweep the problem under the carpet, hoping that, you know, those people who are not in the know will only find out maybe when it's too late and, you know, the warranty is void or, you know, your warranty's expired. So anyway, there you have it then, guys. Just thought that was something a little bit different to show you guys, because I know a lot of you are into your OLEDs out there. And if you appreciate this video today, do us a favour, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you already haven't, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.